Hi, I'm Nikki and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you like the video. So for today, I was going to make something with shrimp, but sadly I was feeling really bad and I knew I was gonna have to make it out to the ER as soon as supper was done so that my kids could eat when they got home from school. So I quickly just thought of something that I haven't done in a while, but I usually do this when I'm not feeling good. So to let you know, these are not homemade chimichangas. These are gonna be frozen store-bought ones. So sorry to disappoint, but when you're not feeling good, you're just thinking of easy solutions, an easy way to get some food on the table to make sure your family eats while you're not having to overwork or overstress your body when you're not feeling well. So stay tuned and hope you like the video. Hey guys, I'm gonna do something simple and quick. I was gonna do a shrimp recipe today, but I'm not feeling very well and I think I'm gonna make it to the hospital here in a bit. So I want to make sure that my kids eat something quick, and I mean something that's gonna be quick for me and that they will eat while I'm gone. So I put these, you can get whatever kind you want. I got chimichanga, they're all chimichanga. This one's the Monterrey, this one is Jose Ole. So these are what I'm gonna use, and I have a pan of oil on the stove right now, and I also have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. So let's take it to the stove. I'm just gonna lay these on there, and I'm gonna do a high heat. I had it preheating at a medium. So I did put these, I put all of these were in the microwave for 3 minutes, so they're still kind of hard. Not really, but you know, I wasn't trying to fully cook them in the microwave. I just wanted them to get soft. But I'm gonna see if all these fit in there. So I'm kind of in a hurry. Okay, so it's on a high heat, and since I have so many of these in here, I have 7 of them in there right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in there for about 4 minutes, and then I'll see how they look from there. It's been exactly 4 minutes, so I'm gonna turn them around, and this is the little golden brown that I do like. See how some of them aren't gonna, center's always gonna be better. This looks pretty good so far. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're gonna do 4 more minutes, and like I said, they weren't even frozen anymore. They were just a little hard, but they weren't frozen anymore. So if you need a poke in the middle just to make sure you don't got no ice in there, because that can happen, go ahead and do that. But for sure, put it in the microwave. If you're doing a lot, I just put them in the microwave 3 to 4 minutes, and you can feel like when they're, I'm all squeezing, you can feel when they're soft. And then that's whenever you want to fry them. And I would say 4 to 5 minutes on each side, depending how toasty you want them. So when these are ready to be transferred, I will see you in just a bit. Okay, so get your pan, whatever size you're going to use. I have a 13 by 9 here, and I'm going to go ahead and put these burritos on there. Perfecto. Okay, I'm gonna put these to the side, and we're gonna get started on the toppings. And this is the leftover lettuce that I have left over from the Dorito casserole that I made the other day. Take them out of the wrapper and put them in there. Like I said, this is what we're gonna top it with. Don't we have sour cream?
Yeah, I brought it up.
Ooh. I always cut this little colita out. Okay, so I went ahead and muted this part and put it on fast forward because I was really starting to feel like a lot of pain, and I was just starting to complain about it too much and just like really trying to rush through. I really wasn't feeling well, and I wanted to hurry up as quick as I could to get to the hospital. So once you have that cut up and ready, we're gonna put these to the side, and I have like a fire hazard going on over here. Alright, so now I'm going to get my shredded cheese that I'm using. It doesn't matter what kind you want to use. And the oven is ready. It's at a 350 degree. Let me put this close. Well, let's see here. There we go. See if I can get them cheesy. And we're just going to have it in there long enough for all this cheese to melt. Let me turn this around. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so this is it. You can also put queso on there, whatever you want. I like to do shredded cheese, but I have done queso before, and it's really good. So you let it cool down for a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and add your toppings on there. So I'm going to get in there with some lechuga. This is the only way I can get my kids to eat salads. Some tomatoes, my big old chunky tomatoes. Okay, and then some avocado. Oops. If this was just for me and my husband, I would have threw some cilantro, some salsa, some jalapenos. And I don't see why you can't add rice. You can add rice to anything. Make it a casserole. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to add some sour cream because my... what exactly is going to go on? My Mia loves sour cream. I'm just going to put it on one. Do you like sour cream? No? Okay. Helen doesn't want sour cream, so I'm just gonna put it on these sides. On these sides over here, man. I know Alma's gonna want some, so I'll leave Helen's alone. There we go. I don't know. You can make it cuter, better, whatever. It's gonna all taste good anyway. So thank you guys. Sorry this is a quick short video. I just wanted to show what I do when you need just some ideas to do it in a hurry but still make it good and delicious and make it look cute so that your family can enjoy it. So if you haven't done so already, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps your girl out. I'm trying to hit a goal. And smash that like button if you like these videos. Let me know what else you want to see. Hopefully I get to feeling better soon and I'll be able to do more content. Sorry that I haven't been active lately. I've just been on all kinds of antibiotics that made me sick. And anyways, I'll see what I can figure out about my health. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed one.